announcement. This is an emergency missing child alert. The Macon Police Department and the Georgia Bureau of Investigation are looking for Sean Clark Jr., a 6-year-old black male, 3 feet tall, weighing 45 pounds, with brown eyes and low-cut black hair. Sean Clark Jr. was last seen wearing a white collared shirt, blue jeans with paint on the back pockets, and a blue jacket. On 4/24/09, between the hours of 11 a.m. and 12 p.m., Sean Clark Jr. was last seen at Rice Elementary School on Jesse Rice Road in Macon, Georgia, and is believed to be in extreme danger. Sean Clark Jr. was abducted by Sean Clark Sr., a 33-year-old black male with brown eyes and black hair. Sean Clark Jr. and Sean Clark Sr. may be traveling in a gold 1999 Chevrolet Tahoe bearing Georgia license plate ACR 4829. Last seen traveling from Rice Elementary School on Jesse Rice Road. If you have any information on the whereabouts of Sean Clark Jr., please contact the Macon Police Department at 478-751-7500 or dial 911.